In this video we're going to show you how to use AirDrop to effortlessly share photos, documents, and more between Apple devices. Whether you're new to Apple products or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you master AirDrop in no time. AirDrop is a feature on Apple devices that allows you to wirelessly send files to nearby devices without needing an internet connection. It uses Bluetooth to create a peer-to-peer Wi-Fi network, making file transfers quick and secure. First, let's make sure AirDrop is enabled. Open the Control Center on your device. On an iPhone 10 or later, swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. On an iPhone 8 or earlier, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Press and hold the network settings card that includes airplane mode, cellular data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Then, tap on the AirDrop button and choose who can send you files. You can select Receiving Off, Contacts Only, or Everyone. Next, choose the file you want to share. You can AirDrop anything from photos and contacts to notes and location links. To share a photo, for instance, open the Photos app and select the photo or video you wish to send. Tap the Share button, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. In the Share menu, you'll see AirDrop at the top. Your device will start searching for nearby devices that have AirDrop enabled. Once you see the intended recipient's device icon and name appear, tap on it to send the file. If the recipient is in your contacts, you'll see their name and photo. On the recipient's device, a prompt will appear asking to accept the AirDrop. Once they tap Accept, the file will transfer. Depending on the file size, the transfer might take a few seconds to a few minutes. If you don't see the recipient's device, ensure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on and are within 30 feet of each other. Also, check that both devices have the correct AirDrop receiving setting enabled. And that's it! You've successfully used AirDrop to send files between Apple devices. It's a handy tool for quick and secure transfers. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more useful guides like this. See you in the next video.